Hello everyone, welcome back to Hey Zindagi channel. In this video, we will be talking about C++ programming for kids. It is a fun and visual introduction to the fundamental programming language. So in this video series, we will be looking at C++ programs for kids every day. Okay, so let's get started. So the kids' first C++ program is let's focus here. Hello, little coder. Remember, the words in green are pretend. The rest are our friends. Words in blue are special and words in red are said. So that means the word in red are basically the sentences that we speak. And words in blue are special words. These are called as keywords. And words in green are pretend. So these are comments. So our first C++ program is hashtag include. It is a special word. IOStream using namespace std. Then the special word void main. And then the braces open, we have C out, and then we say hello little coder. So this is the output that we get, and here we have hello little coder. And as I said previously, the words in green are pretend words. The rest are our friends. And the words in blue are very special. And the words in red are said. So this is our first CPP program. Let's see you tomorrow.